Canva versus Adobe Express. Which free tool wins? Two free design tools. Both promise to make you look professional, but they're not the same, and picking the wrong one could waste hours of your time. I tested both for a full week. Here's exactly what I found. Welcome to Kianex, where we break down AI and design tools so you can create faster. Let's get into it. Round 1. Templates. Canva has over 600,000 templates. That's insane. You'll find something for literally every format. Adobe Express? Around 20,000. Still solid, but way less variety. Winner here? Canva. Not even close. Round 2, and this is where it gets interesting. AI features. Canva has Magic Studio, AI image generation, background remover, Magic Write for text. Adobe Express has Firefly, Adobe's own AI, built right in. The image quality? Honestly, impressive. And Firefly is trained on licensed content, so zero copyright worries. For AI quality, Adobe Express wins this round. Round 3. How fast can you actually make something? I made the same Instagram post in both tools. Canva, drag, drop, done. Very intuitive. Adobe Express, also clean, but the interface is slightly less beginner-friendly. If you're just starting out, Canva is easier, period. Now, the part everyone cares about. What do you actually get for free? Canva Free is great, but many premium templates and elements are locked behind Canva Pro. Adobe Express Free? Actually more generous. Firefly AI, premium templates, no watermarks. For free users, Adobe Express gives you more value. Right now. So which one should you use? Choose Canva if you need maximum template variety, you're a total beginner, or you work in teams. Choose Adobe Express if AI quality matters to you, you're already in the Adobe ecosystem, or you want more on the free plan. Honestly, start with both. They're free. See which one clicks. If this helped, subscribe. I post new AI and design tool breakdowns every single week. Next video, the best free AI image generators right now. See you there.